everyone, welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy the content of my channel, and thank you for all my existing and long-term subscribers as well. Welcome back and welcome to each and every one of you. And to anybody who's here, who's new, please think about hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell twice. And every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, I do a podcast which will be moving from Fridays to Saturdays, and I go live every Wednesday at 5 p.m. British Summer Time, which is 12 noon Eastern, 1 hour ahead for Europe, and I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but I hope you enjoy. And you can think about joining me for my lives on Wednesdays when I have such fun with all my yarny fibre friends. So today I got a little yarn haul from Vicki Brown, who is based here in the UK, and I've decided I buy my yarn from quite a few different places around the world here, and I decided I wanted to try some yarn purchased here in the UK. So that's why it's just a little parcel, because I want to try the yarn first and see whether or not I like it. That's just the way it is, isn't it, guys? You don't want to spend a fortune on a load of yarn and not like it. So there's the little package. It only took a couple of days because obviously I'm in the UK. And I do buy yarn in the UK when I go to my local yarn shop, which is Black Sheep Wools. So let's see what we've got, shall we? It's nicely packaged, which I'm really impressed about. Nice package. It's not just put in the thingy. I apologise profusely for the crinkle. But let's see what I got. Ooh, I tried some different colours this time, guys. Oh, I bought some summer colours. So I got this lovely green, and it's actually sock yarn I purchased, guys, because I'm so in love with making socks that I think Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits and myself, we're doing the Sock It To Me Challenge 2022, and I noticed recently that I've been doing dark socks, so I wanted some lighter socks for, you know, the just to cheer yourself up in the winter when it's dull and miserable. Anyway, so this is from Vicki Brown Designs, and I will put the link to her website in the description box below. And this is standard sock yarn, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, and there's 100 grams, 425 meters, which is about 440 yards or thereabout. And this one's called Optunia. Isn't that a lovely green? I really like the green. The next colour that I purchased is, oh, there's no card with this one. Hold on, let me just see if the card's inside here. No, it's not. But it's the same yarn, and this is the lemon. This is really, really pretty. And then I bought this peachy coral colour. Again, the same specs. And this one is called Muscula. Same specs as before, guys. And so they're the three yarns that I've purchased from Vicki Brown Designs. I just thought I wanted to try it. Try the yarn. It's lovely and soft and squishy, as you can see. A lot of squish in there. and I'm really looking forward to making some socks. Oh, and there's all different colours in there as well, little specks of reds and oranges, so I'm quite excited to try this yarn. And this one has got different greens in it as well, it's not all one colour, and the same with the coral, there's kind of, you can see the different colours. So that's all from me today. I will let you know how I get on, what I think of this yarn from Vicki Brown Designs. And as I said, I'll leave a link to Vicki Brown Designs. I'll leave a link to my Kimmy, who we're doing the sock challenge with. I'll leave a link to her channel, and everything else is in the description box below, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye for now.